What's good, fam? It is July 1st today, and I promised myself I was gonna film all this month. Last time I shot a full month, I had a $10,000 goal. This month, I'm not setting a goal. I'm just gonna work as much as I possibly can. Last night, June 30th, was the last day to qualify for Diamond for July until September 30th, and I was 9 batches away. I worked till like 11 p.m. and I still had 9 batches left, so there's no way I was gonna hit it. I am taking anything today because it is 11 a.m. I just took a 44, 20 miles, 24 items. The 24 items is why I took it. The 20 miles is kind of garbage. It's 12:52. I just got a triple. I forgot I can't show my screen. It's a 45, 57 items. It's a lot of items, but it's only like 8 miles. It puts us around $90 if we get the full 45. Unit and 3rd floor. We got an apartment, so you know it's time to whip out our Ikea bags. Go get yourself some Ikea bags and stop playing. We just got a 38, 7 items, 5 miles, puts us over 100.
I've got everything in this life.
So we're back at the store. It's 4:38 right now. I just got a 24 3 miles. It should put us around like 150. We're not doing bad for starting late. It's an apartment, but it's only 1 bag and 2 sodas, so I'm not mad. I just got a 40 20 miles triple, 48 items, but it doesn't matter. We're still gonna do this. It puts us almost at 200, and we started super late.
If I got everything in this life, then how am I so lonely? Lonely, 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 lonely.
I'm wrapping today up. I'm at 196 for the day. It's 8:30 right now. There was a $10 they showed me earlier, like 3 miles, 10 items. I should have took it. It would have put me over 200, but I wanted to wait and see if they showed me anything better. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning. It is day 2 and we just got a 37. It's late again. I woke up late again. I did not hear my alarm clock. I don't know what my problem is. We just got a 37, 5 miles, 16 items, single. I went in there to do that 37 and they offered me a $19 add-on for an extra half mile. So of course I took it. So it brought this order up to like $56 and the add-on was only like 12 items.
Careful with stars, not every light is gonna guide you.
We just got our second order, 67 triple, 32 items, but it's 51 units.
I like Peter Pan, in real life be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never asked the price. I hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swiped it once without thinking twice, cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color.
I got back from the hospital at like 4:30 and I haven't seen anything since I got here. I just jumped at the first thing they showed me, which was a 27 miles, 11 items, and it should put us at 144 for the day. I'm gonna catch you guys on the delivery.
And I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind, yeah.
I was at home editing a video and I got a 36 double, 30 items, like 5 miles. This is probably the last order I'm gonna do for the day. Puts us at 181 for the day.
All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy, cause you rise to the madness.
What's good, fam? It's Wednesday morning. I woke up late again. I got home from the movies last night at like 12. I got here late, so I took a 49, 22 miles. It's the first order they showed me. It's 18 items, not too bad. 22 miles is, that's pushing it. We're gonna bang this out real quick. My second order is the one that's 22 miles away, and she got some ice cream. I'm gonna use the insulated bags for her order because she's far.
Living in your worst time is when you waste time. No love for my exes.
Hey, how are you? I'm delivering to John.
Is this Instacart?
Yeah. Thank you, you too.
Don't you waste it. Bag back to the basics. Do you have my back like I have your back? Don't you waste it. I am not an old drink. Don't you waste it. It's that new alcohol. You can taste it.
All right, so when I got back to the store, I went into the bathroom real quick. I ended up getting a 53 triple, 14 or 15 miles, 50 items. So now we're delivering.
Like that for you. Hey.
Yeah, I just want a good vibe. Yeah, I just want a good vibe.
It's 3 o'clock right now, and we're sitting at $100, which is really not that good. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys when we get our next order. 21, 5 miles, 15 items. We got it.
I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10.
So I just took an 18, 2 miles, 23 items. I'm gonna go bang this out real quick. It's a single, which is cool with me. It puts us at 140, and I'm tired of sitting here so slow. And what's crazy is it's because I'm platinum, because there's other people getting, like, I was talking to someone and they got a 56 talking to me and I didn't see it. So yeah, platinum is kicking my butt right now, but we'll get to diamond hopefully this month. Fingers crossed.
I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the...
Listen, I actually might cry. I'm not gonna lie, I was off my app and I got a notification for a 59 and I missed it. So, word of advice, get up early. Oh shoot, 41, 16 miles, 66 items. I need to get to diamond so bad because this platinum tier is not the move, to be honest.
I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Yeah, I like.
This is probably the best order I've gotten all day. I got a 44 double, 12 miles. But it's only 24 items, so we're gonna bang this order out real quick. It puts us at 225.
It's better pull up, yeah. Dinner for the day, we could cook up, yeah. Take it.
I was getting ready. I'm like over here putting my mascara on. I hear a notification on my phone and it was a 79. And I got in and I hit the batch under it, which was a freaking Walmart, and I missed it. So I missed a 79, 9 miles. Because I could have got it too if I would have clicked into it at the freaking beginning, but I clicked into the wrong order. Yo, I'm so mad. It is 7:43. I ate breakfast. I finished getting ready. I took a 38. It's 14 miles. It's a single 22 items, so it's a quick shop.
Ups and downs, like we barely even.
Just got our second order. It's a 33, I think, 5 miles, 14 items.
Found love in a place that we never knew. Change up.
Listen, being platinum right now is kicking my butt. I just got a 25, 4 miles. It puts us at $91 for the day.
Going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. And I bet everyone's looking. Yeah. Didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you.
This order puts us around 200.
And we got the same thing, probably like the same thing.
I'm about to go home and start editing this video. Honestly, what I'm thinking is I might just focus on banging out orders that are close by. So yeah, you guys might just watch me grind it out to diamond because it's been crazy slow. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow morning. Happy 4th of July. Good morning, fams. Today's July 5th. It's 10 a.m. right now and we're at $0. I love that for us. So full transparency right now, I have been beating myself up. I was thinking, I was like, should I even post this? I should just start filming in August once I've hit diamond. Then I was like, you know what? No, that's crap. Last period, I swore I had gotten to diamond. On the last day, like an idiot, I decided to check to see if I was diamond, and I had like 20 orders left on June 30th. I was taking anything I saw, especially if it was low miles. But they didn't show me a single triple that night. It was all like doubles and singles. I had 9 orders left to complete to get to diamond, and I couldn't hit it. My objective this month is just get to diamond as fast as I possibly can. They showed me a 38 triple, so we took it. 50 items, 6 miles. When it comes to triples, all that matters is the miles. We took it, we banged the shopping out in like 23 minutes. It's 10:58 right now. The time is kind of not that good. We're just gonna do what we can every day. We'll get there eventually.
Oh, she said leave me alone, so I'ma go. Spending all our time and we went for broke.
I'm just gonna keep it coming with my triples. This is a triple, 55 items, 7 miles, $38. So this should put us at like a little under 70, maybe a little over. Keep the triples coming today. I'm taking every single one.
Past you, but thinking about it. 6 side trips, come and see me in the Ville.
So the first order has a bunch of cleaning stuff, all types of stuff. It has a big case of dog food, and that order is the apartment building. And it's one of those apartment buildings where you gotta walk around like the entire building to get to like the unit.
Convinced you never really love me truly like you said.
I am never doing that lady's order again, period, ever. That was the longest walk of my life. Bro, this bag was for the first order. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I missed a 40 just now, and like right after I missed it, I got a 73. 64 items. We were at 79. So the 73, if we get the full 73, puts us at 152. But anyway, I'm gonna go in here, shop this order out real quick, and I will see you guys later.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these.
Hey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my phone. I wrapped it up a little early today. It's 7:20, but we ended the day at 151, so it's not bad. That 73 came in clutch.
Yeah.
So I've been here for like an hour, and we just got a 37 triple total of 7 miles, so it's not bad at all.
You dealt a bad hand, I'm there, season the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die when.
See how strong your neck
This
is.
is the neck challenge. Yo, I did y'all to do the neck challenge. Come on, 2 hands. Come on.
I need a better grip.
Your
Neck.
turn, sit down, man. Let me try.
To
You ready?
have
Brace
such a
yourself.
strong neck.
Don't let me pull your neck. Don't let me pull your neck. Don't let me pull your neck. Let me know when you're ready.
Wait.
Let me know when you're ready. You ready?
No.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go.
You can't hold the steering wheel though. That's cheating. I wasn't holding nothing. Tell me when you're ready.
Not fair. Okay, go. Just don't.
Go?
Go. I wasn't seeing any orders at all. I was like, you know what, screw this. So I went home and I was cutting up the video. It's 4 p.m. right now. We're still at $36. I took a 27 items, 5 miles. I've been sitting out here for like an hour and I haven't seen anything except for this. So we're gonna go in there, bang this order out real quick. I will catch you guys later.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch your young eyes light up the night sky.
We just got another order, 16 double 22 items, 4 miles.
Not tonight. Watch your young eyes light up the night sky.
Who cares if we're famous? Cause the stars already know what our name is. And it's starting to align. We'll be lighting up.
We got a super easy order. It's a 16, 1 mile, 4 items.
Scared of danger, so give it your best try. Can't nobody stop us this time. So
It's Sunday morning. It's the last day of this week. I'm not gonna lie, we did pretty bad this week, but it's all right. Right now we're sitting at $1,066. So we made $106 yesterday total. It's 9:25. Listen, I don't even know why I tried to get up early anymore. We'll try again next week. We just took our first order. It's a 35 item single. We're gonna go bang this order out real quick.
let's Toast to the dreamers. Royalty, we the kings and the queens, yeah. And the kingdom's ours tonight. No, we won't be pushed aside.
We got a 40 triple, 33 items, 8 miles, which is good news.
I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise. So keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lives.
So we just got another order. It's a 31 9 miles double, 15 items. Not bad on the items. One of them is an apartment.
Monsters in our closets are made up. We ain't heading out tonight. Watch your young hearts light.
I literally just went to go get some food, as you can see. And I got a 67.
My life is a story. My love's getting gory. I get mad, ignore me. Broken heart emoji.
Our first order is an apartment, 3rd floor, unfortunately.
Emoji. I'm rich, love is shady. Yeah. Would you love to pour me? Would you love to pour me? Would you pour your heart out in a glass for me? I know that you back her without blasphemy. If I ever leave her, she was blasting me. If I ever cheated, she was stabbing me. Some say we toxic as can be.